There are many types of love you can feel. Like love between two friends, love you feel for your family, the love a young girl feels when she's infatuated with someone. I think you may be infatuated with me. That's not love.
No. It's not infatuation. The love I feel is the kind a man and a woman feel for each other. That kind of deep love.
Teresa, I'm flattered. I really am. But you're just a young girl. And you'll think you love many guys before you grow up and meet the right man.
I am not just a girl with a teenage crush, Ethan. I am a woman. And I'm in love. And I will never love anyone but you, Ethan. Never. And I think you feel the same way about me.
I think you better go inside. It's getting pretty rough out here.
I don't care. We have to talk. I don't want you to think I'm just a schoolgirl with a crush on you. My love is deep. It's intense.
Teresa, you don't know what you're saying. You are just a schoolgirl with a crush. You just missed Chuck.
No, it's not.
No, and it's like I said. You're just caught up in the romance of the night and the prom and the storm. It's all very romantic.
Forget the prom. Forget the storm. Tell me what you're thinking, Ethan. Tell me what you feel for me.
Well, hello, you two. Gee, am I interrupting something?
Gwen, what are you doing here?
I am here to fight for the man I love.